Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rate a restaurant on the DoorDash app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and rate a restaurant because their food was really good. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to DoorDash. Next, click on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner, then click on Orders on the left hand side. Now find the restaurant which you want to go ahead and rate. So let's take Archie's Thai restaurant for example. We're going to go ahead and click on this restaurant, and then we're going to go ahead and click on the three dots on the upper right hand corner. So on this order page, we're going to go ahead and find the restaurant which we want to go ahead and rate. Next, we're going to take this Archie's Thai restaurant for example and click on the receipt, and then you're going to click on Rate Store on the right hand side. So this is where you can actually go ahead and leave a thumbs up, and you can leave a review as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and rate a restaurant on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.